Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. It's Frugalistablog here, and I have a Stitchfix unboxing, my first one of 2020. It's been a few months, so I figured, why not? And November was like box central, fashion style box central, all of them. So we've got like a little bit of a break in between. Now we can have a fresh start. Yes, so let's see what's in here. Can't wait. Also, I am freezing. Also, I am addicted to sweaters. That's why I'm freezing. So that's why I'm addicted to sweaters. Anyway, you know what I mean. This is that one, like that green one I have from Free People on clearance at nordstromrack.com, which it's probably all gone now. I'm sorry, but I love it. Okay. So Stitchfix, personal stylist to your door. If you haven't tried it yet, use my referral code, $25 off towards your purchase. And also, if you like it and you want to, and you continue to use it, you can refer your friends to it. And then when they sign up, you get a discount. So yeah, it's great. Love the referral program. They provide a pre-addressed envelope, which is kind of a bag, to send back for any pieces you don't want, but you do get a discount for keeping all 5 pieces. Yes. Let's see what Nikki has to say. That's my stylist. Nikki's been my stylist for some time now. Okay. Hi Rebecca, happy holidays. I hope you're enjoying your holidays and time with family and friends. I sure did. For this fix, I think she wrote this like, because I think I got notice I was getting a fix before, right around New Year's. For this fix, I found you a few comfy, cozy, and effortless pieces, great for the winter season in Washington. I think you'll love the cotton blend Liverpool jean. I've had some like that before. Pair the soft jean with the black Michael Kors blouse. Add the Beta Baubles long gold necklace, the cozy Evolution by Cyrus Drape cardigan, and fun print booties for a preppy edge flare. I also think you'll love the soft stitches and stripes pullover. Okay, well, we know how that works. Jeans, sweaters, tops, pullover. It's not hard. I see cozy. I see denim. I see color. Oh, yes. Okay, so this is the necklace. Interesting. Cute. I don't typically wear really long pieces, but this is kind of fun. You know, it does, it's different. So I think I like necklaces like this with like dresses and stuff. I really find that jewelry lends itself better in summer. I don't know why that is. Maybe because I wear maybe coats in winter seem to just get in the way of bracelets and necklaces and I don't bother. I don't know. Already I'm in love with the 2 sweaters that are in here and hoping that the jeans fit post-holiday. So this is the Michael Kors blouse. It's mixed media, or I should say mixed material. Size small, it's black, it's $68. So it's black, it's gonna be really hard to see. Oh, it's comfy. So it's kind of a knit sleeve. It has like a drapiness to it. It's kind of fun. It's kind of like a tunic, V-neck. Yeah. Okay, that's kind of cool. So this sweater is called Stitches and Stripes. Oh my God, I love a random assortment of bright colors like in stripes. I just love it. It's so, it's so cute. It's kind of 70s, right? Didn't you? I just remember stuff like this. I love it. I love this kind of color scheme. Okay. $68 for the sweater. It's kind of like a wool. I mean, it's not woolly, but it has like a bit of a blend to it. It's kind of soft like the one I'm wearing. It's not very long, you know, it's just kind of a little bit blousey. Okay, fun. For size small, I'm glad. It looks a little boxy. Yeah, I don't like tight sweaters. Elizabeth, super skinny jean. Liverpool has this pull-on. It kind of reminds you of maternity, if you've ever worn maternity jeans, but they're not. So they're like comfy, and it's really cool. I had a pair of Liverpool jeans before like this, and they actually got too big when I lost some weight. So it's good to see. These are a size 4. They're skinny. I think Liverpool jeans are pretty long too, so any tall gals out there that really need long pants might enjoy that. Statement like piece de resistance. The Evolution, what is this called? Evolution by Cyrus. Oh, I have a Cyrus sweater. This is also size small. This is, okay, so the jeans were $78 and this sweater is $88. And it is kind of like a coat. So like it's that open front, very cozy shawl sweater. You guys, I have, how many of these do I have? I have at least 2. I have at least 2 kind of like coat sweater styles. So yes. All right. Well, I am going to try these on for you. Be right back. Oh my God, you guys. Oh, these are fake pockets in the front. Oh, but the back ones. I love these jeans. I don't think I've ever worn a pair of jeans more comfortable than these. These are amazing. Do you see this? Oh my gosh. Yeah. I mean, I thought it would be weird having the whole panel thing and the way, and they are long. I don't think they're too long for me. I don't think. I'm wearing slippers, you guys. I'm freezing, by the way. And here's the blouse, which I like as well. I think it's kind of nice. It just feels sort of good. Yeah. Necklace is kind of cute. Let's put the sweater on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so cute, right? Is it? I swear, I think I have something very similar to this on my Pinterest board that she's probably like, okay, Rebecca, okay, I'll send you this. It's this picture of a girl and she's super cute and she's got like, you know, the messy bun and like the big scarf and she's walking around with her purse and I think there's like, she's wearing a sweater like this, maybe like a t-shirt underneath, or I don't know. It's like, it looks just so amazing and perfectly put together. I was probably like, I want that. So yeah, this is great. We can have a no by February and pretend and just call it a continue to buy January. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. You guys, this is so cute. I love it. I love it. Is it weird? It's so much fun. Just think of the cute Kendra Scott little dinglies I can wear with it. I'll have to get pink. I need like bright orange earrings. No, this is, I cannot get over how incredibly comfortable these pieces are. These jeans are phenomenal. They feel like leggings, but not in a like binding way. And the sweater is so soft and it's like easy. It's so cute. I hope you enjoyed that fix. Thank you, Nikki. Oh, this was fun. This is cute. Great pieces for this time of year where I live. And I will link below the items in case you want to request them for your Stitch Fix from your stylist. Definitely pin to Pinterest the things you like so that you get the fixes that suit you. Be honest in your profile and measurements and all that good stuff. And use my referral link if you want to sign up yourself. Because I know there's a lot out there. This one is the OG for me. I've been doing it for years. So yeah. Yeah. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.